Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw something that swims with beauty and grace. A beautiful face in Zentangle art using only our black pen. Once Now I'm going to tell you a little story about this topic. Once upon a time there was a tiny fish who lived deep in the ocean while all the other fishes shine with bright colors. This one was plain and simple, just black and white. But one day it realized that true beauty is not about colors, it's about patterns of courage, calmness, and creativity. So today let's tell that fish's story through our Gentangle lines and make her the most magical fish in the sea. Ready to dive in? Let's create together. Okay, guys, just look at that her now. A little black and white fish turned into a masterpiece of pattern and love. She may not have colors, but she shines brighter than ever because real beauty comes from the heart. I hope you felt calm and creative while drawing with me today. If you enjoyed this peaceful journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical Zentangle art. Until next time, keep swimming through your imagination, keep creating with love, and remember, I am here. Bye bye.